Day 13. We're one day away from completing this series of tips on cybersecurity policies, specifically to generative AI. So we came a long way, folks. This day, I will touch on resilience and resilience testing. Now, I spoke a little bit here and there throughout these 13 days and about resilience. I imply sometimes I were explicit, but let's talk about penetration testing and risk assessment of your solution. So, resilient testing, I will expand a little bit more in terms of AI solutions, right? We focus on AI solution, but you need to understand the entire infrastructure. And that's why penetration tests and scoping the penetration test for this resilient testing is very important. And I would start in gaining access to your organization and then identifying where in your organization this solution exists, and then attacking the solution to ensure that it's resilient, can sustain a cyber attack. Because that is the natural progression and process of an intruder coming in versus focusing on resilient testing of the solution, meaning you bring a consulting company that do penetration tests and you show, hey, here are my systems, here are my solutions, please, you stress the heck out of them. Yes, you put them at the front door of your house. You put them on the front door of your solution. So I would go to the entire process, making sure they can even identify that solution within your various networks and solutions and applications and so forth, and cherry pick that one and say, okay, I found where it is. Now let me attack it, and all this. So it provides a way that is there a path from your architecture. Let's say you came in through social engineering, you got access to a laptop and go all the way to the solution, do parallel transition across your network, elevate your privilege and so forth, do your penetration test thing and get to that solution. See how difficult and how easy it is. Well, that will not only stress test your application against cyber attack, but also your network, and to see there is a path to that. That allows you to provide your overall risk to your organization versus a solution risk. And that is a much more valuable result for your resilience testing.